Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria. If today is your first time you're coming to this channel, I say very big welcome to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also click on the notification button so that you could be notified whenever we upload new video. Guess what? I just want you to let you know that don't consider twice, we ship everywhere. And where you can get original, the only store you can get original, I tell you, is Austin Global. Yes, that's where you can get original items for your skincare product, and cosmetic, organic product, and we ship everywhere. Within the country also, we deliver everywhere. Okay, in a quick one, today what do I have? A lady DM me and she was asking me about this product, Gluta White, and I said, okay, I've talked about this Gluta White before. Let me use this opportunity to introduce it to the new people or talk about it again. So I bring to you this Gluta White. You see? Yes, this lotion is not just a lotion that one will see and try to not make use of. Rather, you should make use of it. You see, that is it. This lotion is one of the lotion I always respect in terms of all glutathione product. You see, very smooth and always do the right thing they said about it. Yes, very smooth and always do the right thing they said about it. It has a very nice aroma. That is it. It has a very nice aroma that you can use and you will confirm it. And then again, number one thing that it will do for you, it will moisturize you. Yes, it must, because a lot of all these whitening products, some of them they're just whitening, they don't moisturize, and when you use them, your body become somehow reddish. Are you getting it? But this one, no, it has cooling agent also. They cool your body, like you're not gonna see that type of sharp redness you see some of that lotion, or soft redness or redness. No, rather it take away redness also. You see? So let's quickly read from it. Let me show you what it says. It said it's been formulated with double active glutathione and collagen. I always respect those facts. If any lotion, I tell you, if any lotion has these two things in it, if it has collagen, one, I respect that lotion a lot. If you have collagen in it, I respect that lotion. Meaning it's gonna do what it said. And if you have alpha-butene in it, so either collagen or alpha-butene, if you have one of this, or if you have the two, I respect that lotion. So this one have collagen, double glutathione and collagen. Are you getting it? It clarifies lotion with clarified lotion moisturizer. Are you getting it? Tonifies and repair your skin. So exactly like what I just told you now. Are you getting it? It moisturizes your skin, and when they say moisturize, take care of all that make your skin smooth. If you notice your skin wasn't smooth, when you start using this, it will smooth your skin. You will notice your skin will be like, a newborn baby. And the kind of tone is gonna give you, it's not gonna give you it's gonna give you the tone like you see in other lotion they give to you, like, oh, this one is too harsh. Because I know some lotions, they are too harsh. Oh, it's too harsh, it make my body too white. No, it's gonna, first of all, it's gonna moisturize you, and after that, it's gonna make you tone to the color. When you notice it's giving you the color you needed already, then what do? You stop it. And to make it more effective, it has the oil, it has the concentrate, and it has the bath wash also. I will show you the bath wash now. I think I have the bath wash. Are you getting So apply twice daily. You can use it in the morning, you can use it in the evening. And for those of us who promise, that's where I'm heading to. For those of us who promise, this is one lotion I will always advise you to use. One lotion I will advise you to use. Very good, very good. It don't give white patch, it don't give headache. Like, this is a big secret I'm showing you. It don't give white patch, it don't give you this dark, whatever you think your lotion is giving you right now. You see? So try this to promise for your customers, for your people. Try this. It has the right formula to suit with whatever you want to produce. We want to promise. It's very nice cream. It has collagen in it. So when it moisturizes your body, when I say it moisturizes your body, it moisturizes your body and it clarifies every dark heads and all that. Lightens you. When it lightens you, it smooths the skin. It doesn't leave any stone on top. Like you're gonna feel, oh, it didn't do this, it didn't do that. No, unless your formulation when you were promising, when you started, you mixed it from your own end. Otherwise, this lotion, it will give you what you really want, and it's good for you all too. Told you, give it a try, buddy. Don't consider should I order or not. Don't consider that. Go ahead and order. Place your order. We will send it to you wherever you are. In the US, UK, just name it, Asia country, Europe, even in Africa country near us, in here we will send to you. So this is the bath wash. This is the bath wash. And it's still the same thing. It contains what the lotion contains. It contains the same thing. So it contains what the lotion contains. So I see no reason why you're gonna say, oh, it's not working. It's working. Yeah, it's working. So let me go through again. It said, okay, whitening shower gel. Okay, let me go through what it said again. Okay. It said healing miracle. Wow. It contains lactic acid content. It helps to reveal brighter, okay, it helps to brighter, healthier skin. You see, while the nourishing and maintain. Okay, anyway, I can't see proper now, like don't mind me. So what I'm trying to say is this. So it have the tendency, because I think initially those while I was using my own product, when they said, oh, could go use your product, we want you to use your product. And I said, okay, before I started using my product, I first of all, let me break the body. I first of all use this. I personally use this one and the lotion. So when I use the lotion, I say, wow, it's working. Are you getting it? So that's when I stop it, and then after 2 months again, then I said, okay, let me use it. And I did use it to promote one time, and the people I used it to promote up to date, whenever because I told them they should use it, if whenever they run out of the lotion. You understand it? So they always use it. They always use it. So let me see somewhere I'm heading to. Okay, it's naturally packed. It's naturally packed with vitamins and antioxidant. This product is the new kid on. They say it's a new kid on block, and I wouldn't agree to that because we have a lot of new kids on block. They're very funny, Gluta. I mean, so anyway, well, it can say I keep seeing there's a new kid on block anyway, but it's not a new kid on block. We have other new kids on block. So I want you to give a try on this. Go ahead and give it a try. Let me not say much about it. Like I said, did they give you money to talk about it? It happened, but they didn't give me. You understand? So don't hold back. In case you want to place your order, wherever you are, we can ship to you. Alright? So God bless you all. Bye bye.